Hello guys, this is Damon from SuperU Shopfitting. SuperU Shopfitting is specialist interior designer and shopfitting supplier, providing customers with one-stop shopfitting solution, includes consultation, design, manufacturing, delivery, project management, and so on. A few days ago, one of our customers in Cyprus contacted our consultant and said that he needs some display fixtures for his new bakery shop. My colleagues and I are right in front of our factory. Let's see how things are going. Here is a wall multi-display shelf for bread displaying. The main material of this shelf is composed of powder coating, iron frame, and wooden veneered melamine with an acrylic logo on the top. The material of this shelf is very scratch resistant and durable, and the price is very affordable as well. We have designed and produced 4 sets of this wall multi-shelf and matched with 2 sets of this high leg tables with the same material for our customers. The triangular stair drawer, as you can see here, is designed to be placed under the stairs, which can save more space for storage and improve the space utilization of the entire store. What you see here is a checkout counter with a length of about 5.7 meters, consisting of a cashier counter and a freezer ceiling covered. The material of this counter is MDF with veneer and varnish, which looks like real marble, but with much better prices. And as you can see, there is also a LED light stripe embedded in the lower area. We also designed 2 individual base cabinets along with the counter. Other store fixtures we got a trash bin here and a LED lighting logo and 2 more wall multi-shelf. Okay, if you want to know more details about this project, please visit our website superudisplay.com. And if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. See you.